let's put these fabric markers to the test. Now you get 40 markers. They feel very light. I'm sure these won't last super long, but they're going to do exactly what I want, which is be great fabric markers for my daughter's birthday party where everyone's going to decorate their own article of clothing. So let's put these to the test. You'll just pop them open. They are a little hard to open. Really clean, fine tip. And then to write, you'd normally want some cardboard between the paper as these will bleed, but I could simply draw down a line. Very, very easy to draw, very clean. Let's check out some of the more of the colors close up. So here is a close to neon yellow. And as you can see, they have a really fine tip. You don't need to do anything. They're ready to go just right out of the box. And I could just start coloring. Really, really easy to color with these. They'll be really wonderful for my daughter and her friends to use. Simple, quick coloring there. Let's try this pink. Just as great. Let's try this blue here too. So no surprises, they're all working beautifully. Really bright, colorful, and easy to color with. And these did not keep going, but they did bleed through on the back side of this cloth. But I did totally expect them to bleed, so that's not out of the norm. I'm just gonna make sure this sits for 24 hours, and then you can wash it and treat it as if it was always that color. It's meant to be permanent, and enjoy. The Zenacolor Fabric Markers.